Hello and welcome to this week's episode of BC Skate Tours. Today we are at San Diego's very first skate park ever, apparently, in the city of San Diego, at least legitimate. You want to get started?
Let's get it.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the tour right out from the parking lot. As you come up to this park, you got this really weird, small little bowl things. Right now all covered in pine. As always, when you come to a skate park, make sure you bring your broom. Little weird area for grinding and whatnot. It's not even really in the skate park. This is just kind of on the way there. What's cool is that the skate park does sit right along the San Diego River. So the ocean is out that way. And yeah, that's Mission Bay Park on the other side, the whole big old Mission Bay area. Robb Field Skate Park, there's the hours, 10 a.m. to dusk, and all the other rules are stickered up. How you guys doing? Nice little shallow bowl here, large. You got a nice fun box there in the middle, very nice hips on it. Rolled up extension here on this bowl. All these bowls are uncoped until you get to here. Come out here towards the middle. So you got a nice little Twinkie ramped up on either side. Here in the middle, got a cool little fun box there. Looks like somebody marked this thing up with arrows to show the big old bowl. Volcano here in the middle. That's sick, bro. There's your wall over there. Cool little flat rail, extension, ledge, other ledge, another rail. You got 3 stairs here that are extended apart from each other. It's actually a pretty good park. And let's just go ahead and, let's just go ahead and cruise down in here. Check this out. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and give the camera over to Chris, and I'm gonna let him show you the rest.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So, getting back to the park tour. All right, we're going left. I think Brian already explained this whole part of the park right here. It's got a great flow to it. Nice, wide open rails you could hit. Canopy for shade if you need it. And then we come to these 2 bowls right here. This is a fairly decent bowl right here. Nice hip transfers, coped all on the top. Nice little round bowl right here. That's cool. Little peninsula things everywhere. A lot of flat ground, so you could do tricks, whatever, man. So anyway, cool spine transfer right there. You see that? That's nice. So, man, all I could do is just aim and shoot with the camera. It's all self-explanatory. Coping on the top, little transfer right there. That's cool. Anyway, this rail right here is pretty cool. So there's not much to this park, a lot of bowls. If you're into vert skating, it's totally one for it, you know what I mean? There's all kinds of stuff when it comes to vert. But there's only a few rails in the park. I don't even see a mani pad, so, you know. This is the park, I guess. I'll give you another view of it from over here in this island area. I got a spine transfer. It's pretty dope. Right next to the river. Got a nice breeze going. Not hot like Arizona. Nice. So anyway, thank you for joining us on this episode of BC Skate Tours. Where are we?
Robb Field Skateboard Park is what they call it.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, so until next time, go out there, skate, have fun, and enjoy life. If you like our videos, hit the like button down below. It'll really help us out. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button right here. Check out a playlist of all kinds of skate park tours right here. Check out all the local skaters right here. And here is a special video chosen by YouTube just for you right here.
Toodles.